giving off a bit of a Cabbage Patch doll, right? Put your post notification. Hi lovelies, I'm Tia Lavelle, and today I'm gonna be trying out some new hairstyles. I got 3 wigs from Amazon, and well, as we know, this is my tried and true hairstyle, but I wanna switch it up and see, is there anything else out there that I would, you know, want to try and see what looks good on me. So today we're going to try the brand Outre Every 16. So let's pop this on and see what this looks like on me. Comes in a variety of colors, but I like to keep it simple and black, but I do have a surprise for you guys for one of the wigs. I actually already cut this one because I wore it for a video with my mom. I just wanted to see what it would look like or if I would like it. You guys will see in the video and I will tell you guys how I feel after I try it on. But I already cut the lace and I'm going to pop it on for you guys now. Okay, so this is the Every 16. I like it, but I don't love it. Honestly, I'm not a fan of T-part wigs. I didn't know this was one when I got it. But one thing, you do need to like mess with it and play with it. You really need to pluck the part a bit to make it a bit more natural because it's so thin and just straight. As well as you're going to need to add baby hairs. I'm not someone that likes baby hairs, but I don't like how straight it is. So you do have to play with it and finesse it a little bit to make it a bit more realistic looking, but it is fun to play with and I think it is really cute and it has potential, but this definitely I would not put as like an everyday type of hair. You'll see in my video with my mom, I did she bought me outfit video, so you'll see in there what I mean. I didn't change it or whatever because I wanted to keep it for you guys how it looks exactly out of the pack. So in that video you'll see that the part is very noticeable, that's super straight, and I didn't change anything around the perimeter of the hairline. But if you see, it is quite cute. If I turn around and show you the back of it, it's nice and wavy. It's a cute bob. You definitely can comb it out a bit more and make it a bit more voluptuous. You can kind of flip it to the side without having a part on this side of it, but yeah. I think it's fun to play with, but I definitely don't think it's an everyday wig. And I'm not sure how long it will last via the curls because I do think after me wearing it after my video, it does look like some of the curls are starting to fall from the front portions of the hair from me playing with it so much. But that's my thought process on that. So the next wig I'm going to try is the QD Tweezer. It's actually an orange wig. I had fun playing with an orange hair before in a photo shoot that I did, so I wanted to see if I can find something else that can kind of be similar to that, but this one has bangs, and I'm super excited to try this on and see what it looks like. Orange can be a hit or miss depending on the shade of it. Seems to be very staticky coming out of the package. Let's see if you guys can see that. It's even the net sticking to it. So you can see it's very, very staticky. There is a trick if you use like a bound sheet and you wipe it along the hair. Usually that takes out some of the static from it. So I probably should try that. Okay, and so what do you think? I feel like I'm giving off a bit of a Cabbage Patch doll right now with the pink and the orange, especially with like the cardigan. It's definitely not giving as my other orange hair that I wore. I'll insert a photo so you guys can see what I'm talking about. If some of you guys probably seen the photo, but this is for if you guys didn't see it before. But yeah, what do you think? It has bangs, so you don't have to cut any lace off. I've seen a few people wear this, and it looked good on them. I just don't know if it looks good on me. It could be my makeup the way it's done. It could be the outfit I'm wearing. I'm thinking if I do like maybe like a half up, half down. I can't really see, so I'm looking at the viewfinder. But so if you guys keep seeing that, that's why, because I don't have a mirror in front of me. But maybe like a half up, half down type of look. I don't know. I don't know. You guys tell me. You guys are always honest with me if things look great or awful. So be real. Is this? What do you think about this? Can this be a one look type of wear, or do you think this is just like don't ever leave the house and maybe play on TikTok with it for a character? There we go. I'll show you the back. It is super long and like wavy. I think also the waves on this are a bit weird. Like if you look at it like here, it just shapes on your head weird. So I'm not sure how, maybe it was how it's sitting or just how they decided to curl it, but it does sit weird on the head. It's definitely like a helmet that you're putting on, and then the wave itself kind of indents into your head a bit strange. So next we're going to try the Butta lace, and it's the Butta Unit 5. I could be saying it wrong. If I am, let me know. Comment down below. I'm excited to see what this one looks like because it's nice and big and curly, and I love big hair. So let's see. Okay, it's nice and curly, super cute. Oh, this is a T-part wig also. I did not realize that. I love how I got all the wigs in T-part wigs, and I'm not a fan of T-part wigs. I don't normally get synthetic wigs, but I was on TikTok and I seen a bunch of people try on wigs and doing these things, and I'm like, ooh, I want to try it. And they're not as expensive as human hair, so I thought, why not give it a shot? And if I can find something that's cute, why not? So I'm gonna pop this on and get right back to you. And this is the final wig right here. I actually really like it. It's very natural looking, and it, like I said, it is a T-part wig, so that's the only part that's not natural, but I feel like you can probably flip it around a lot if you really wanted to and have some fun with it. And I also think after, if you pick it out, you're not going to notice this as much once you get some volume in the actual hair. I haven't cut off the lace yet because, like I said, I'm just trying these on just now. This is why I literally just took out the package. The first one I tried on for a video for you guys, but yeah, I think I actually really like this. I like the cut. This is definitely how when I would wear my hair curly, how I used to like my shape being. It's kind of similar to like a diva cut, or I think, is a diva cut a bit more blunter? I think it's similar to a diva cut, or a little outgrown of a diva cut. But I like this wig. It looks a lot more natural. It's very light in feeling compared to the other one. I'm not sure why that is. It has a lot more hair, but it doesn't feel heavy. So I'm quite pleased with it, and I keep playing with it, and I don't feel like my hand's getting tangled in it. So I will definitely do like a wear test and probably post that on my TikTok account. So follow me on TikTok if you're not. And yeah, there's not much I can really say about this wig. I actually really do like it. I think this one here, I may play around and wear this a lot more in my videos. You'll see if it does hold up well. Then you'll see it a lot more. But let me know what you think. See, it's so bouncy actually. I really do actually like this one a lot. It's very playful. But let me know down below which wig is your favorite. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's this one. I like how light it is. I like how the lace is still kind of like, it's not making me look ashy, so I feel like it'd be easy to blend once you cut it off. Yeah. And again, I'm looking at the viewfinder because I don't have an actual mirror to look at. So I'm thinking from when I see through the viewfinder, it looks okay. Let me know what you think. That's the end of the video, so please comment down below which one is your favorite, and like, subscribe, and put your post notifications on. Until next time, bye lovelies!